Right, this is part two of the analysis. I hit the wrong button, so we're concluding with dollar CAD there. Um, we're looking for an upside continuation. On Friday, we closed high, so perhaps we're looking to buy dips for the move up. And the same would go for euro dollar and euro yen. Um, so euro dollar, we've got the M formation. So a short squeeze up towards the neckline could be in order. For the weeks ahead. And then on the daily chart, we're at support. What we could be doing here is carving out prospects of a downside continuation. So we've got the resistance there. Impulse. Oops, wrong one. Well, we'll leave that there, in fact. So that's the Fibonacci drawn on that impulse to the downside. Those lows lining up with the 38.2. We've already come up to test there, but perhaps we're creeping in on that wick for the roll to the downside thereafter, or this is going to be the lowest level for the day and we're creeping up. Sorry, not for the day, for the week, and we're creeping up. But we were low and we finished higher after a nice drop. So perhaps we've got a short squeeze on the cards. And then euro yen, go to the weekly chart. We've got a break of structure, W formation, neckline support. So impulse, shallow correction, continuation to the upside on the weekly chart. This is the daily chart. Creeping lower, lack of conviction so far. We need a firmer move to the downside to flip the bias. We'll have support in here if that were to come down to test. On the 4-hour chart, coming up into resistance. If we can get above this area here, then the bias will be bullish. But while below there, the bias is bearish. So continuing with this then, I just got a bit sidetracked there. So we've got this downside continuation happening here in Asia. Tokyo Open now. No, bear with me. No, we've got this. That was in the 4-hour chart. So we've got this W formation on the hourly chart. Right, prospects of a move in perhaps to support for continuation up. Now, bearing in mind that on Friday we closed high, I want to be buying dips, whether I'm in Asia, in the US, or in the US, Asia, London, or the US session. I'd like to be long of this pair buying dips. And that basically concludes this outlook for the day ahead. So in summary, let's go back to the dollar. We are looking for this downside continuation in the dollar and looking to sell it elsewhere across the board. So potentially a risk-on day with a correction into the stock market to the upside, and taking all ships along with it. Okay, so best of luck out there, and we will be doing a get together before round about the New York Open. So I'll see you a little bit later on today, and tomorrow morning in the US session.